So I will request. 2 मिनट शुरू करते हैं, 2 मिनट। अरे कितने लोग हैं यार? अच्छा अच्छा, इसके बाद पार्टी वार्टी करना घर में गया
थैंक यू मिस्टर शर्मा।
की फिल्में देखी हैं और उसके साथ काम किया है, तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज दिमाग में आती है कि जो मजा है। So all the launching of this product, our music launch, and I speak on behalf of T-Series and Johnny, the producers for our film. All that is aside. Tonight is meant for you to have a good time. So we will present a show. I hope you guys have a good evening, and please don't go away after you get your picture. Stay back and.
मसला हो सिंपल या फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स, कुछ भी हो पंगा ना हो इम्प्रेस, खुद से ही है हम थोड़े ही इम्प्रेस, ये अपनी फितरत है हैप्पीनेस, प्रॉब्लम से पीछा छुड़ाने का यही तरीका है यार, यही है प्रोसेस। टिकट खरीद के बैठा सीट पे निकलना जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस।
आगे नहीं, पीछे 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 पीछे। अरे सागरा जी, फ्लैश पीछे 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 पीछे।
For making this film possible, and of course Bhushan, without whom no film is made.
For having us on board Chennai Express. And we'd like to call on stage the lyricist first, Amitabh Bhattacharya. Followed by very close friends of ours, playback singers Chinmay Sripadan, Johnny Saab. That's Chinmay, who sang Titli for us. Hansika sang 1, 2, 3, 4 for us, as well as Chamak Chamak.
Rohit, to do the honors. And Deepika. Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Chennai Express. Chennai Express question answer.
अरे तो घरी चर्चा करा था अरे सब दो साथ में हाथ डाला
Okay, so everyone in the photographers and all, they're bringing it. Everybody settle down, please. Hands up. Take on the job.
Shahrukh? Hi. Shahrukh here.
Question. This one is, get on the train, baby. My baby will talk some other time. लुंगी जो मैंने पहनी थी, जो आप भी आज प्लीज पहने, मैंने सबको दिया. आप लड़कियों के लिए सफेद वाली है, लड़कों के लिए चेक वाली है. ओके ओके, गलती हो गई. लड़कों के लिए सफेद वाली है, लड़कियों के लिए चेक वाली है. Tangabali Victor Vadive. I think that is one of the Victor Vadive. Kitta Varade. Tangabali Kitta Varade. Right? Tangabali Kitta Varade, which means Tangabali, don't come close. And that is one of the nicest scenes that Deepika know. I think even Rohit, all of us feel in the film, who's seen it also and enacted it. One of the finest and the sweetest scenes. And
Welcome, Shahrukh. I would like you to say a few words on the association with ASUS.
okay, hello.
Would request everybody to please not whistle so we can hear him. Everybody, please not whistle.
ओके अरे सीटी अभी नहीं, सीटी बाद में. सीटी के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं और फोटोग्राफी बहुत सारी होगी. 2 मिनट हम अपने पार्टनर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद फंक्शन शुरू करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू for participating.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
ASUS Transformer book is the world's first detachable notebook with a sonic master audio, which enhances the user experience. It's one of the first of its kind and the finest of its kind. Chennai Express and the whole team is extremely happy and thankful to your whole team, brother.
Thanks a lot, Shahrukh.
And
Thanks
ASUS
a lot.
for joining up with us.
Yeah, and we would like to take this opportunity to wish you all the best for the upcoming tour.
Thank you very much. May this book, there is going to be an ASUS competition
From
where
15th.
people will compete and they will get an ASUS notebook free, which is signed by myself and the rest of the team of Chennai Express. So I will request Rohit first to sign it, being the director and the head of the ship. दो मिनट शुरू करते हैं, 2 मिनट. अरे कितने लोग हैं यार. अच्छा इसके बाद पार्टी करना, घर में करना पड़ेगा.
Chennai
The whole team will assign the SOS notebook. Like I said, the first one of its kind, which is detachable. So God bless you and thank you very much for participating with us in Chennai Express. Thank you.
Also, can I request you to please hit the enter button so we can see.
Asus presents Transformer Book with detachable tablet.
Yes. In the center. Thank you, Mr. Sharma.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
And everyone settle down because the whole idea, sorry to place a little less, the whole idea of tonight's evening is कि जब मैंने रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्में देखी हैं और उसके साथ काम किया है तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज दिमाग में आती है कि जो मजा है. So all the launching of this product, our music launch, and I speak on behalf of T-Series and Ronnie, the producers for our film, all that is aside. Tonight is meant for you to have a good time. So we will present a show. I hope you guys have a good evening and please don't go away after you get your picture. Stay back and party with us. So we'll start the evening. Thank you very much everyone for being here and sorry for the delay.
Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
हो सिंपल या फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स, कुछ भी हो पंगा ना हो डिप्रेस, खुद से ही है हम बड़े ही इम्प्रेस के अपनी फितरत है हैप्पीनेस, प्रॉब्लम से पीछा छुड़ाने का यही तरीका है यारो, यही है प्रोसेस. टिकट खरीद के बैठ जा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. और टिकट खरीद के बैठ जा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. Get on the train, baby.
Can I have the music CDs and the boxes, please? And may I please welcome?
And I'd just like to say, first of all, big round of applause and thank you for the producers, that is UTV. Siddharth's not here, Ronnie's here. Thank you so much for making this film possible. And of course, Bhushan, without whom no film is produced in this country. Wait, 2 minutes, give me 2 minutes, these girls are always in a hurry to come and be with me, but I'm telling them to control themselves. I would also tell you, this is a music launch, and as I said, we'll get over with it fast. Want to thank everyone. Our special guest tonight here, all the way from Hyderabad, Chennai, and Kerala, because she works everywhere. Priya Mani, thank you, darling, for being here. God bless you. And a solid bad guy. We don't have Satyaraj ji here, who's also played an important role in the film, but this is the boy to watch out for. The bad guy, who Deepika actually likes a lot in the film and stuff. I've got problems with that, but Niketan, thank you Niketan for being here. And everyone else, Karuna's here, Kareem is here, Yogesh. And the two main people, what would you like to do is, I'm going to hand the mic over to Shekhar, of Vishal Shekhar, because this is a music launch, so this evening belongs to them and then to you guys. Keep on whistling, okay, when the music plays. Come on, everyone, whistle together. This great music, but I'm going to tell Shekhar to call the mainstay of this film. That is all the singers, the lyric writer Amitabh, and everyone to come on stage and join us, because this night belongs to them. So the loudest cheers and whistles for them. Here, Shekhar, call them all.
Thank you so much. I'd like to call lyricist first, Amitabh Bhattacharya. Followed by very close friends of ours, playback singers Chinmay Sripada, Jonica. There's Amitabh Bhattacharya for him. There's Chinmay, who sang Titli for us. There's Jonita, who sang the title track, Get on the Train, Baby. Yeah. Neeti Mohan, if she's here. Hamsika Iyer. Hamsika sang 1, 2, 3, 4 for us, as well as Chammak Challo. Hamsika. Natalie DiLucio, who sang Ready, Steady, Po, 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 Po. And Natalie. Anusha Mani. Is she here? Okay, I need to call the Jackie, Abhishek, Sachit, all you guys responsible for this. Thank you so much, everyone. It's Abhishek, Sachit, and that's Neeti Mohan for us. Thank you. All these singers have made this album really special. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, Vishal. Now I would request the media to have the question answer session with everybody. Before that, we have the launch of the...
I'd request the producers, Ronnie, please come forward, and Rohit to do the honors. And Deepika. हाँ ऐसे उस तरफ मुंह करो ना, उस तरफ मुंह तो कर, तुम लोग को फेसिंग ही नहीं आती है यार, उधर मुंह करो ना. ओहो.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Chennai Express. Thank you, everybody.
Hello.
Okay, all the photographers, I think somebody will have to...
Yeah, the first...
Can we have somebody, Manvi, can we have a microphone in the audience so they can start the question and answers? Yeah.
Guys, please, I request you, settle down.
Okay, so everyone in the photographers, settle down. They're bringing it. Everybody settle down, please.
Khan Saab.
Ek minute ruk ja. Are you guys okay?
Who's got the mic?
Me. Hello.
Okay, the first question. Okay, hi. The first question. Shahrukh, the first question's right here.
Khan Saab.
Silence everybody, please.
Okay, silence. Just, we'll take 5 minutes. तुम लोग का ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करेंगे.
This is Alok from OA 104.8 FM. खान साहब, मुबारकबाद की म्यूजिक आ गया फाइनली.
Thank you very much, Alok.
सवाल ये है कि मौका है, दस्तूर है, सबने गा दिया है. आज के दिन प्लीज अगर आप गाओगे तो ये सब शांत हो जाएंगे.
मैं शेखर और अमिताभ को कहूंगा मेरे साथ गाना गाएं.
प्लीज प्लीज.
ये मेरा पिक्चर का फेवरेट गाना है.
आगाज कर सकते हैं.
आ जाओ. 1 2 3 4. मेहरबानी नहीं तुम्हारा प्यार मांगा है, तुम्हें मंजूर है तभी तो यार मांगा है. गैरों के डर से तेरे शहर से है कसम रिश्ता तोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना. बस हो गया.
खान साहब, दूसरा सवाल मेरा रॉनी से है. रॉनी, ये जितने भी सारे लोग स्टेज पे हैं इनमें से किसको आप लुंगी बांधना चाहेंगे और क्यों?
दीपिका क्यों?
कोई खास वजह?
आपने पिक्चर नहीं देखी है लेकिन जो उसने कैरेक्टर किया है,
हाँ.
शी इज गोइंग टू बी वेयरिंग अ लुंगी फॉर अ होल लाइफ आई थिंक.
Shahrukh? Hi. I know I'm not. Shahrukh here? Yeah. Yeah. Can you? A lot have been talked about this. Can you tell us about the surrogacy? Yes.
I could say no to you right now.
Yes,
and
I
get it
know,
on
I
with it.
know.
This is Get on the Train Baby, not my baby. And I'll tell you with honesty, I'll tell you something. It's extremely personal, confidential, and I would request everyone here tonight to have a great time. It is a little mix of sadness and happiness, what's happening at this point of time. And I would request everyone, including the concerned authorities, to show the same alacrity in finding out and doing the enthusiastic investigation they are doing upon my baby, upon other things which they should be lending their thoughts to right now. But having said that, when the sad part of it gets over, of course I'll share everything with you. So God bless you. This is the last question. This one is, get on the train, baby. My baby, we'll talk some other time. Thank you, darling.
Strictly Chennai Express question answers.
दीपिका,
I would request.
दीपिका, शाहरुख खान साहब ने अभी गाया और बाकी लोगों ने गाया. आप भी अगर अपने कुछ मधुर आवाज सुना दें हम आज को.
अच्छा, आलोक से दूसरा सवाल. आलोक बार बार ये गाएगी.
शाहरुख.
ओके. आलोक, तेरा टाइम खत्म हो गया.
शाहरुख here this side here सर सर सबसे पहले तो मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा म्यूजिक लॉन्च की. बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक है फिल्म का. सबसे पहले जानना चाहूंगा सर कि चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बारे में आपसे जानना चाहेंगे थोड़ा बहुत, और कितना एक्सपीरियंस आपका जुड़ा हुआ है चेन्नई के साथ, और कितना मजा आया आपको चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस करते हुए रोहित शेट्टी के साथ?
बहुत 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 मजा आया. And I think the fun that I have had on this film, I think you can see. I felt extremely liberated as an actor with Shah Rukh and Rohit around. You're not listening to me.
Shahrukh, please, खामोश.
I'm just going to stop.
दीपिका बात कर रही है यार. Please.
Yeah, so that's it.
Shahrukh, Behul here from Mumbai Mirror. Shahrukh.
Yeah.
Shahrukh here. Hi. This question is about the song 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already becoming a huge hit online. But I'd like to ask you, we are told that you were going through a lot of pain while you were shooting the song. Could you talk about that song, please?
Actually, I wasn't going through any pain at all. The only person who had pain dancing with was Priyamani. Because the poor young lady had to keep on doing it again and again and again. और पहली बार मेरे साथ काम कर रही थी तो बहुत इज्जत दिखा रही थी. मैंने 4 बार बोला भी, I'm really sorry. No, I also like to rehearse a lot. I'm all right. बेचारी 3 रातों के लिए आई थी, 5 रातें वहाँ पे गंवाई इसने, और आखिर तक मेरी बहुत इज्जत करती रही. The only pain I had in my feet, I don't wear boots, though next time I do a film with Deepika, I will be on stilts. But it was very painful dancing, that's all. Otherwise, it was, and you should ask her actually, please tell them that I wasn't as bad as I've told you.
He wasn't bad at all. Like as he said, I didn't undergo any pain or anything. He's just being too sweet, that's it. And I think the experience was lovely, and I just like to thank Rohit and Shah Rukh and all the producers for having me a part of Chennai Express.
It's so wonderful ना, South Indians, uncontroversial, straightforward, honest. कुछ गलत बात नहीं बोलते.
Shah Rukh, how was it boarding on the Chennai Express? How many times did you have to drape the lungi? And how was it the first time you did it?
हाँ, जब लुंगी जब मैंने पहनी थी, जो आप भी आज प्लीज पहने, मैंने सबको दी. आप लड़कियों के लिए सफेद वाली है, लड़कों के लिए चेक वाली है. ओके, गलती होगी. लड़कों के लिए सफेद वाली है, लड़कियों के लिए चेक वाली है. But I'll tell you the best part about wearing a lungi. We were shooting, it was difficult times, we had many dancers, and it was very hot. But lungi jo hai keeps it aired and nice, which was nice. It was very comfortable. I suddenly realized how it is when girls wear skirts. And I respect ladies even more now, because I used to feel when I'm walking down, या मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ सीढ़ी वीढ़ी में, कोई देख रहा है तो ऊपर देख रहा है. But my respect for women wearing skirts and men wearing lungis has increased many folds.
Any one sentence that you must have learnt in Tamil? Nalla peshinga.
No, I've learned only Deepika telling me po. Every time I go close to her, which I don't know what it means. I'm assuming it means really nice. And whenever I go to hug her, she says po. poi mate. So that's the only word which he told me is a term of endearment.
Hi, Rohit, my question is for you. This is Swati from Magna. I want to know, you've always sort of blasted cars in all your movies. So do we see you blasting trains now?
No, I'm not blasting any train, but you'll have a blast watching this film.
Yes.
Hi, Shahrukh. Bhavna this side from Z News. On your right. Shahrukh, there's this dialogue, do not underestimate the power of a common man. आपकी पहले भी एक फिल्म थी, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, आम इंसान turning into a hero. इसमें भी कुछ ऐसे ही होगा, आम इंसान turning into a hero?
Yeah, the story is like that. It's actually, all of us are quite common in the film. And it's not a, how do you say, an upscale situation. We are well to do and stuff like that. But वो line का थोड़ा सा meaningfulness यही है कि लोगों के पास अलग अलग किस्म की अहमियत होती है, but इसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, normal आदमी है. And that's why the line keeps coming again and again in the film till Deepika understands it and Niketan knows it better than anyone else. कि don't underestimate the power of a common man. फिर ये मान जाता है उसके बाद. So common man की victory होती है finally.
शाहरुख, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, here again, here this side in the left. म्यूजिक लॉन्च से पहले ही म्यूजिक इतना हिट हो गया है, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, तो आपको कैसा लगता है पर्सनली जब इस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं फिल्म से पहले ही?
बेइंतहा बुरा लगता है. कैसा लगेगा, पागल हो गए हम लोग तो यार. ये हम खुशी से पागल हो गए. अगर और हमको अच्छा लगे तो हम छत में फाड़ के ऊपर निकल जाएंगे. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई वांट टू थैंक टी सीरीज, भूषण, जो बहुत मदद करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन द बिजनेस पार्ट ऑफ इट बट इन द क्रिएटिव पार्ट ऑफ इट. और इनकी समझ बहुत ऊंची है म्यूजिक के बारे में. सो थैंक यू भूषण फॉर हेल्पिंग अस. एंड ऑफ कोर्स विशाल एंड शेखर, वी वर्क विद देम फॉर इयर्स. रोहित हैज वर्क विद देम फॉर इयर्स एंड दे हैव कम अप विद सच अ वंडरफुल स्कोर. सो वी वांट टू ओनली थैंक देम, इनके बिलीफ से, इनके गानों से, इनके लिरिक्स से, जैसे अमिताभ के, और भूषण के बिलीफ से कि हमारे को ये फ्रीडम देते हैं और हमको गाइड करते हैं. सो वी आर रियली हैप्पी. एंड यू नो, एज द डेज गो बाय, you will understand each song is very meaningful in the film and I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy it.
Shahrukh, this is hello, Shahrukh here, on your right. This film shows a reunion between you and Deepika, and on the other hand between Rohit and Vishal Shekhar also. So both of you need to say something on this.
Okay, I'll tell Rohit and Vishal Shekhar, हमारा reunion हुआ है, फिर से शादी हुई हमारी. तुम्हारे साथ नहीं, मेरी दीपिका के साथ हुई है, तुम्हारी विशाल शेखर के साथ हुई है. तुम्हारी बैड लक खराब है, मेरी ठीक चल रही है. बट तुम अपने रियूनियन की बात करो. शेखर, तुम बोलो ना यार.
First of all, after Golmaal, हम लोग को, we really wanted to work together. And the day I came to know that Chennai Express, Rohit Shetty and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I was really excited, as always. And it was a beautiful journey. We had a lot of fun, a lot of madness, a lot of jams. And it's one of the most memorable moment for us to stand here and release the music of Chennai Express. It's a beautiful feeling. Thank you.
My question to Deepika.
Right.
Deepika over here.
Hey.
Deepika.
Okay,
last question. Yeah.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, हमारी रियूनियन हुई है, मैं अपने मुंह से अपनी तारीफ नहीं करूंगा, दीपिका मेरी करेगी. दीपिका प्लीज.
Please listening to me, so you.
No. You're the tallest. They can at least shoot you best. Go for it.
About our reunion?
Yeah. Poi mate. Po.
I don't know what to say. It feels the same. For me, he's the same person that I've worked with in Om Shanti Om. He hasn't changed at all.
जितना था उतना ही रहा है.
He's as caring and protective about me as he was. And it's been an amazing experience working with him.
Deepika, my question to you over here, which is the most memorable scene from the movie with Shah Rukh? Yeah.
When he kicks the chappal on my face.
Okay, Shah Rukh
Out of
here.
context, you won't know what I'm talking about, but when you see the film, you'll realize.
My favorite
okay,
scene
last
of
question,
Deepika.
that's it.
Yeah, I need to tell you the scene which you all have to look forward to when the film comes. Inshallah, you'll enjoy it a lot. But there's a scene about Tangabali, who's our main villain and the baddest man in the world. और थोड़ा नीचे हो गया.
ऐसा टांग कैसे सिखाते हैं उसको टांग, ये न्यू कमर है तो मैं इसको दिखाता रहता हूँ ऐसा ऐसा। सो इसके साथ एक सीन है, इसके बारे में एक सीन है जो दीपिका करती हैं, तंगाबली विट्टा वड़ीवे, आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द विट्टा वड़ीवे ना, किट्टा वरदे, तंगाबली किट्टा वरदे, राइट? हाँ, तंगाबली किट्टा वरदे, which means Tangabali don't come close. And that is one of the nicest scenes that Deepika, no, I think even Rohit, all of us feel in the film, who's seen it also and enacted it, one of the finest and the sweetest scenes, and Tangabali is an integral part of that scene.
Shahrukh here, to
That's
your left.
it.
Last question, Shahrukh here. To your left, to your
Darling,
left.
when you
here.
say, yeah, please say left or right, I can
Yes.
make out.
Chennai Express is another star in your filmography now. Talking about your struggling period, how is it for you as an outsider? Because you had no filmy background. For you, was it easy, difficult? If you could tell us a bit.
No, I think Mumbai and the film industry and everybody's been very kind to me. I don't have a struggling period to talk about. I think I just want to thank everyone that, you know, the whole film industry embraced me with open arms and gave me a if I may use the word, a surrogate family when I came here to Mumbai. And but I've been very, very fortunate. I've been very fortunate. I had no struggling period.
That's it. Thank you very much. अब मेरी बारी है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने की, प्लीज। सबने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लिया, अब मेरी बारी है। Okay, last two questions allowed. Last two questions allowed, yes.
शाहरुख
कौन है?
फिल्म का नाम है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस और इस एक्सप्रेस में आप दीपिका के साथ घूम रहे हैं। कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि किसी एक्सप्रेस में आप अकेले हैं और आपको गुंडों ने घेर लिया है, सपोज कहीं आकर, तो किस हसीना को आप बुलाएंगे कि आओ और मुझे इस गुंडों से लेके जाओ? कुछ वैसा अगर हुआ तो
मुझे अगर गुंडे घेरेंगे तो किस हसीना को मैं बुलाऊंगा?
बुलाएंगे बचाने के लिए, आपकी रक्षा करने के लिए, दीपिका को छोड़कर।
हाँ, मतलब ये कोई
कौन
सवाल
से
है?
एंगल से हसीना लग रहा हूँ यार?
मतलब किस एंगल से?
आप किस एक्ट्रेस को, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को आपके जहन में आएगी, या कौन वो फर्स्ट लेडी
पहले
आपके
तो
ध्यान
किसी
में
गुंडे
आएगी?
की हिम्मत नहीं कि मुझे सराउंड करे,
Imagine.
और अगर कर लेगा तो मैं लड़कियों को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? मेरे फाजिल दोस्त रोहित को बुलाऊंगा, निकेतन को बुलाऊंगा, देखो कितने लंबे चौड़े खा पी के सब एकदम पहलवान है, इन सब को बुलाऊंगा। कहाँ हीरोइन को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? हीरोइन को तो किसी और चीज के लिए बुलाऊंगा ना, ऐसा ना गुंडों से लड़ने के लिए बुलाऊंगा। तुम लोग यार। And give me your telephone number too in case I need to call you sometime.
Shahrukh, on your right, Ankur from Mumbai Mirror. On a positive note, how exciting it is to be a father for the third time.
Only Chennai Express question answers. Thank you.
तेरी जो हेल्थ रिपोर्टर है तेरे पेपर की, उससे पूछ जाके, और मेरे पास भी उसका नंबर दे, बताता हूं मैं उसको।
Okay, that's it.
सर अभी ओके, दाढ़ी वाले, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, पक्का हो गया? पार्टी करें इसके बाद?
That's it. Photo op.
लास्ट वन अभी हो, अदर क्वेश्चन डन? ओके, वी हैव इंटरनेशनल मीडिया है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। Somebody give a microphone to the international media.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Shahrukh.
Walaikum salam.
We're from Morocco. We're big fans of you. We come all the way from Morocco to see you. We would like to see Chennai Express in Morocco. Do you think you're launching it there soon?
Will it come in Morocco?
Yeah.
Inshallah, it will be there. Yes, the producers here. Sorry. Oh, I thought there was a mic. Sorry.
Yeah, it's coming to Morocco.
Yeah, and if you
got
want,
two
Ronnie will
last
come
year.
and escort you for all the shows. Yeah.
That would be nice. Deepika, we love you. We love the job. But good luck for the movie. Thank you very much.
Okay, Sorry? I'm becoming a journalist like you. लग रही है? तेरा लुक कॉपी किया मैंने, सचमुच। मैं रात को, मेरे को ना एक बार मैं ख्वाब से उठा, मैं अभी 3 दिन पहले, तो मुझको लगा दर्द है कि पता नहीं क्या तकलीफ है, ऐसा उठा नहीं ऐसा, और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं तेरी तरह लगने लगा हूं। सो कल परसों मैं निकाल दूंगा मैं। No, that is completely Shekhar's answer. Would you talk about Mr. Bala Subramaniam?
We actually, Shahrukh sir, Rohit and us, we discussed about the title track being sung by S.P. Balasubramaniam. We are big fans since many, many years. And I asked Shahrukh, can we do this? And he said, absolutely, you can. So we immediately called, got in touch with his manager in Chennai. और sir को phone किया. He's 67 years old. He's sung more than 37,000 songs. And he just sounds like a 20-year-old man. It's unbelievable. One of the best experiences ever to work with a legend. And thank you, sir, for having us go there and recording.
Except the legend party sounds like me. But thank you very much, everyone. And what I would like to request everyone here tonight is the press conference part of it is over. The film music is over. All of us here, on behalf of Ronnie and Bhushan and Siddharth, would just like you to stay back, have a great party. This whole evening has been designed so all of you have a good time. कि आप लोगों को जो है कुछ एंजॉयमेंट मिले. बहुत मेहनत करते हो यार, कड़क कड़क धूप में अजीब अजीब बातें पता करते हो, लिखते हो, फोटो खींचते हो. तो आज की शाम आपके आराम के नाम है. सो प्लीज स्टे बैक एंड सीटी बजाना, अच्छा खाना खाना और खुश रहना. सर मुझे मालूम है तुम दीपिका और प्रिया के लिए सीटियां बजा रहे हो, लेकिन आज जस्ट थैंक यू टू
Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and have a great evening, guys. Have a good party.
Let the party
begin. I would request
now.
everyone to please come up a little ahead so we can have the photo op for the last time, Shahrukh.
Thank you everyone for being here.
Can I request you all to just come on here?
दीपिका, फाइनल वर्ड्स क्या कहना चाहेंगी? दीपिका, स्टॉप मत करो यार, ऐसे ही रिकॉर्डिंग दीपिका. हाँ साहब, आज की शाम का पॉ फैक्टर क्या था? पॉ फैक्टर